What Separates Us from Chimpanzees by Jane Goodall by Tess Stedman. Jane Goodall is a British primatologist, ethologist, and anthropologist known for her exceptional and long-term research on chimpanzees in Tanzania. She was born on April 3, 1934, in London, England. When Jane was a little girl, her father gave her a toy stuffed chimp named Jubilee to celebrate the first chimp birth in captivity in the London Zoo. Despite having all these other toys while growing up, Jubilee remained at the top of Jane's list. While growing up, she always had a great love for animals of all kinds. At about the age of 25, Jane started her research on chimpanzees at the Nome Stream Chimpanzee Reserve in Tanzania. She found amazing discoveries with the chimps, like how they eat, sleep, mate, and basically everything that has to do with their lives. She gained their trust and had a very close bond with them. TED Talk. A TED Talk is a presentation at the main TED conference or one of its many satellite events around the world. The first TED Talk conference was in 1984. The conference has been held annually since 1990. In Jane's TED Talk, she tells about her recent trips to Ecuador and what the tribes were doing to try to save their forest. She then goes on and starts talking about her research on the chimps. She talks about the amazing things that she has seen in her research. She says that one of the chimps even works on a computer and works it faster and more efficient than some humans have. She relates them to humans in a way that they use their own types of tools like we do. They problem solve like we do, and even show some of the same emotions. The chimpanzees use the same gestures such as kissing, holding hands, and lots of others. She also talks about the new technologies that have been made to monitor these chimpanzees in any atmosphere. Jane has a ton of information and data on these amazing creatures. She wants to save them and their habitats from being destroyed for wood. There have been institutions made by Jane Goodall to help people get more educated on her research and cause. Her websites give information on her and her life, their research, and also how you can donate and support her. She has gotten many awards for her tremendous work. She has gotten the Hubbard Medal in 1995, the Community of Christ International Peace Award in 1999, the William Proctor Prize for Scientific Achievement in 1996, the Franklin Institute Awards in 2003, the Nienberg Prize in 2004, and the Edinburgh Medal in 1991. Jane Goodall's legacy will forever be a part of the world. She has brought so much knowledge to everyone from her extensive research and her fascinating stories. Here's my citations. Thank you for watching.